In this short video tutorial, we will talk about the third container tag that we can use in the body section, and that tag is the span tag, SPAN. Now we have already discussed about the div and the table tags. Now let's see what the span tag does for us. So this is how the span tag is written by giving the opening span tag and then the closing of the tag. And anything that you write inside this tag, you can write some text here, and this text will be treated as the content written inside the span tag. Now, why do we need the span tag, or when should you use the span tag? The span tag should be used when you want to categorize the content which is inline. So let me give you an example. So suppose I write a line, this color is red. Now suppose you want this line to be written with the word red highlighted in the color red. So if you want to create an inline categorization, you will be using the span tag. You cannot use the div tag here. So you cannot put this color red inside the div tag, because ideally the div tag is not meant to categorize the inline text. The div tag is actually used to create larger divisions in the page. So if you want to just categorize uh, some part of the text, then you will be using the span tag. So instead of the div tag, this is how you will be using the span tag to isolate this word, or maybe to isolate some part of the sentence, so that you can give some special treatment to this word or the part of the sentence. By special treatment, I mean that you might want to color this particular word in red. So for this, you can use the span tag and you can give it a style. Although we haven't discussed styles as of now, and we will be covering styles in the coming tutorials, but just for your understanding sake, I'm using the style tag here, and I'm giving the style as color red. Now I have used the span tag to isolate this word red, and I have given a color red to this particular word. So I will save this page, this code, and I'll open my browser and I will refresh the web page so that it loads the new HTML. So when I refresh it, you can notice that this line has been written with the word red actually highlighted in the color red. This is possible because we are using the span tag to isolate some part of the sentence and give that part a special treatment. So span tag is also a container tag, but it is used for separating some inline text, so that we can categorize some part of the sentence and give it some special treatment. For example, to give it some special styles. So this is how you can use the span tag when you write the HTML code. So with this, we will end our short tutorial. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.